And today I'm going to show you how to easily create a cinematic look or creating a film effect in Photoshop. So with our image imported, let's go straight to the tutorial. So import the image and pull out. So the first thing is to make sure your layer is selected. Come here, click on this thing, click on what you call color lookup. Okay, click on this color here and you see 3D lot here. Just load the 3D. I can choose, I'm going to use fucking idea here. Okay, so this perfect. So now what is happening here? Right, with this created, what now we need to do is we need to create a layer. So Control Shift or Command Shift N. You bring up this new layer, just select the layer and make sure your mode is thing to overlay, right? Perfect. And now check this one, fill with overlay with neutral. Okay. Perfect. Click on that. Now what you need to go to filter, go to blur, and now choose short blur. Okay, so with this selected, all you need to do is move the amount to 100. And now move the size, play around the size, maybe 40, the roughness to about this, and just if you think the noise is too much, just move the highlights, maybe about 60, or yeah, this is okay. So after this is done, you just click on OK. And we're done. But still, if you think the noise is too much for you, just go to opacity and just decrease it a bit. Perfect. So this is how you create this cinematic film effect in Photoshop. But I also have another image we are going to try on it again. So with this image, okay, or you need to just follow the same procedure. Go to color lookup. Perfect. Make sure you change it this way. Perfect. Okay. Then Control or Command Shift N. Okay. Then try to change the blend mode to overlay as well. And fill it with overlay of gradient or neutral color if you get perfect. So after that, go to filter, blur, so blur, and make sure first it will be on effect, so make sure it's select noise and add the amount of noise to be 100, try to play with the size, then 40 will be okay. So just play around 40-50, roughness around 60 to 70, I think it's okay, and the noise is too much, I just decrease it to around 45 to 50. Okay, then after that, when you're done with this, you just click on OK. Now we created our film or cinematic look. All you need to do is now, so when the noise is too much, just try to bring the opacity down. Look at this. And perfect. We just created our cinematic film effect in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Okay, and hope for more tutorials are coming. Okay, so stay tuned. Take care, stay safe, stay strong. Goodbye.